Hey, it's Becca, lead designer with Rebecca Reed Creative, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to manage your site on Showit versus your blog. So when you are designing your Showit site, you have an option of designing the blog portion, but that's not where you maintain the blog. That's just to get the design set. And then when you go live, which you can just simply message the Showit team and they will help you out with that. They're awesome. They will connect that blog, that WordPress blog. So your blog is done all through WordPress. So you need to log on separately through WordPress to write your blogs and create them and whatnot. So we're going to show you how to do that. Here's the back end of Showit. So if you go over to the left-hand panel, this is where a lot of your work is going to be done. You can see over here it says blog template. So if you click on the blog, it will bring you to where you can design the blog. And again, with Showit, this is with any page. Over here you can design the this website version, and over here you can design the mobile version, and you can make them completely different if you would like. So you can design your blog on here, and then you just go over here to this little chat box and talk to the Showit team members, and they will connect it. I know this user face may look a little bit intimidating, but don't worry, you'll only be doing one thing on WordPress. So what you do from here is you go over to the posts and you will just click add new. And then you can add your post, write the title obviously, and then in here you can add your text. And when you click enter, if you want to add a photo instead, let's say, you could do that. Let's say you wanted to add a YouTube video, you can do that. There's tons of different things different blocks that you can add, and you can, if you want to know if they have them, you can type in like Instagram or whatever and add that in. So it's fairly easy, and if you have any questions, just comment below. Oh, and one more thing I really want to show you guys. So SEO, search engine optimization, is super important, so I highly suggest getting this Yoast SEO plugin, and it will give you a readability score. Obviously, this post is really bad, but it'll tell you exactly what you need to do. Maybe you need to add more text, more transition words, whatever it is. It'll tell you the readability, and you want to try to get that into the smiley face green range. And then over here, if you look at the document, you can have categories, which is great because then at the bottom of your posts, it'll say, let's say you're a photographer. It'll say, engagements, and then people can see other engagements or weddings or whatnot. And then tags are just a good thing to add in as well for the same reason. Make sure you add an excerpt. That helps with SEO. So yeah, those are just a few more tips. I hope this video was helpful in learning the difference between the blog and then designing on Showit. And if it was, I'd really appreciate the like right below, or just letting me know what you found the most useful and valuable out of all the information I provided. And if you can, take a screenshot and share it on your Instagram and connect with me at Rebecca Reed Creative. And I would love to see what you learned. Thanks!